Hello friend, it's Heather here from Ewe Ewe Yarns, and today I am talking about the Big Bouncy Baby Blanket. It is, like I said, big and lush and so bouncy. This is a free pattern that I designed for Ewe Ewe Yarns. It uses 5 balls of our Baa Baa Bulky merino yarn, which is all washable, and it makes this project great for busy parents, because once this blanket is knit and the ends are secured, it can be thrown in the wash and it just gets softer with time. The colors won't change. It's a great project. Let me show you how springy this thing is. Ooh, it's so squishy and soft. This color combination is just a nice array, kind of a neutral palette for anybody. And I put together some other color combinations of our yarns too. Maybe you'd like to go with a softer palette. This one has some cotton candy and soft sage, brushed silver, vanilla, and wheat. Or I put together another combo that I thought was kind of cool. Kind of a marine blue inspired, with some teal and aqua, silver, sapphire and sky. I thought it'd make kind of a cool fade across there. But there's so many combinations you could put together with our yarn. You could do something with reds if that's what the baby likes, or bright pinks. This is our berry color of Baa Baa Bulky. And you can see this yarn is just nice and squishy and soft. So you can get, you can get all the information in our profile down below. Just click and there's a link to this free pattern on our website. And there's also information about the kits I put together that use Ewe Baa Baa Bulky yarn. Thanks for stopping by, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.